So one of the great aspects about USANA is that we are changing lives around the world, not only through true health and through true wealth, through our business opportunity, but we also are able to change lives through the True Health Foundation. And I've had this great privilege of being able to see firsthand the good work of what we've been able to do through our partners, through IRT and Concern International, with our partners in the Philippines, really the changes and the instant success that we've had in an area devastated by Typhoon Yolanda. And so with immediate response from USANA's True Health Foundation, we were able to supply local communities, far-reaching communities, island communities, with water purification, with food packs, and with a number of essential needs, life essentials, that have really helped families and communities in these remote areas to get through that initial period of time where people are so devastated by the storm. Following our immediate response and over the following months after the storm, we were able to focus our attention on more to medium to long-term remediation programs, two of which were in the area of Concepcion and a group of islands just north of there as well in Carlos. And so the two programs that we're particularly focusing on, one is in getting fresh water between three particular islands, affecting over 6,000 people. You know, small community groups, far-reaching from the mainland areas, but people in desperate need of fresh water. And so our project there with Concern International has been to first find primary water sources and then extend 8 kilometres of piping, both underground and underwater, connecting the three islands in that region, so that we're able to get a free-flowing and free-flowing water supply to those communities. I'm glad I don't have to carry the pipes up to install them, but it's been really amazing to come up and see the work that's being done. It's in such a remote area just to get the water through, so it's been fun, but hard work. So our other project that we've had significant impact on in Concepcion and then north up into Carlos has been a boat building, fishing boat building enterprise.
Already 200 boats have been made here in Concepcion, and there's another 300 to be made. And this is where the True Health Foundation has been making direct donations to this part of the project and helping rebuild the fishing industry within the local community.
When Typhoon Yolanda came through, it literally wiped out all of the facilities, homes, schools, but most importantly, all of the local villages' fishing boats. And so what we take for granted for them is their transport, is their means of supplying food. They fish for their own food and livelihood, and then whatever fish they have left over or seafood that they catch, they can then sell that in the markets. And so this has been a really significant impact for that community. And so we set about this operation, a very ambitious program of more than 600 small fishing boats around 12 or 14 feet in length. And since that project began, we now have been able to supply 200, and we have 400 to go, and we're on track to achieve that by the end of the year. So come November, we would have been able to supply 600 boats into the community, establish a significant fresh water supply, drinking water supply to those communities. And so again, along with the partners on the ground, with IRT and with Concern International, the True Health Foundation, thanks to your generosity and your support, has been able to act immediately to the typhoon response, but most importantly to be able to give back to the community, both in terms of the things that they need, but also to employ people in the boat building process. We have more than 40 carpenters working every day of the week to rebuild that fishing fleet. So it's been a great project. It's been one that we've been able to impact steadily, consistently, and again, thanks to your great support through the True Health Foundation.
This one is a very tough pipe that we are using. It will last more than 50 years.
50.
The Brits.
Hey,
How you doing?
hey, fine, good. Just relaxing, chilling out.
So the True Health Foundation really was the vision of our CEO, Dave Wentz. And what Dave wanted to be able to create was a foundation that could respond to the needs of people across the globe. And so I would ask you, all of our Filipino family, to give generously to the True Health Foundation. This foundation is so important for everyone in the Philippines. It's an opportunity for 100% of your donation to impact your community and your fellow countrymen and women, but particularly the children across your country who are affected by all of these types of situations. And we thank you for your support from Dr. Wentz and all of us at USANA and all of those people that are behind the True Health Foundation.